SWOT analysis. How to do SWOT analysis? Strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. And this is in pictures. Field tools are as well now in the business what as famous SWOT. Strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. And yet this at all often applied incorrectly. Step 1 is what, how, or how. Before marketing, on the analysis itself, we show and mention some preliminary and consideration. Fears of all sort cannot be done in the air. The SWOT depends on one's point and why. After question, what is just another diagnostic? The we do is just to me require be another process. So analysis is available only if one considers the strategy.
Hi, good afternoon. I want to talk about the SWOT and the strategy. The knowledge focus on the strategy is two levels: competitive strategy and portfolio strategy business. The portfolio strategy business, which is the same as the company mission, to what to spend to create economic value or wealth, defines what business will participate and how they allocate and priorities its resources among the business. The competitive strategy of each business, meanwhile, is a dynamic process involving interaction between all areas. Step 3. The SWOT and the strategy. Now let's concentrate in the strategy. The strategy theme understands two levels: the competitive strategy and the strategy of business. The strategy of portfolio, that is the same thing that the mission of the company, to what it is going to devote to create economic or patrimonial value. It defines in what business it will take part and how it will assign and prioritize resources between this business. The competitive strategy of a better business, your part is a dynamic process that implies the interaction between the areas. Step 4. Analysis strengths and weaknesses. The strengths and weaknesses arising from the performance profile on 13 types of resources against competitors to efficiently and effectively implement competitive strategy of products or service. Step 5. Define the enemy. The first, we must define who the enemy is. Consider, for example, we are talking about competitive strategy and that more than the one competitor in the market segment. Thank you.
Step 7. Analyze threats and variables. Number 1. External impact, economical variables, demographic, technological, environmental, and communication. Number 2. Span and growth rate. This is the current size of the business and its dynamics spent in the course of time. Number 3. Level of rivalry. Friction is competitive among competitors. How do you compete? How to innovate? Number 4. Pressure substitutes. Competitors are indirect. Number 5. Synergy. The rest of the products in our portfolio of business are benefit by our market share. Thank you.
Then I create the goals. I will indicate which path I have to take in order to be successful in the business world and with that I live.